worksheet for grade 11th. Today mainly focus on fundamental programming language. Instruction number 1. Say true or false. Question number 1. A program written in assembly language can be directly understood by computers. Question number 2. It is only high-level programming languages that have syntax and semantics. Question number 3. Syntax errors are easier to fix than logic error. Question number 4. Python interactive interpreter can be used to execute multiple lines of code at a time. Question number 5. When Python's text editor opened, the prompt immediately appears. Question number 6. Once a variable is set to a specific data type, its type cannot be changed. Question number 7. The result of the two expressions 5 forward 2 and 5 forward are not the same. Question number 8. In implicit type conversions, the programmer has to use built-in function to convert the value one type to another. Question number 9. The type booleans have only two possible values. Question number 10. Expression and a statement are the same thing in Python. Roman number 2. Multiple choice. 1. What is the correct file extension for Python files? A. pyt C. .pt C. py D. python. Question 1 2. How do you insert comment in Python code? A. Forward double. B. Greater exclamation mark and greater. C. Hashtag. D. Forward slash multiplications and forward slash. Question 1 3. What is the print type? Yellow output. A. String. C. Class string. C. String. D. Type. 1 4. Which keyword is used for function in Python? A. Define. B. Function. C. Def. D. For. Question 1 5. Which of the following is used to handle expression? A. Catch. B. Error. C. Try. D. Handle. Question 1 6. What is the output of print 2 and 3? A 6, B 8, C 9, D 5. Question 1 7. How do you start a block of code in Python? A. With brackets. B. With indentation. C. With parentheses. D. With semicolon. 1 8. What data type result of type 10 forward slash 2? A. Int. B. Float. C. Double. D. Long. Question 1 9. What is the result of boolean 0 in Python? A. True. B. False. C. Null. D. Error. 2 0. What of the This is now the core data type in Python. A list, B dictionary, C table, D class. 2-1. Which operand is used for floor divisions? A forward slash, B double slash, C module, D star star. 2-2. What does a lens, brackets, squares, 1, 2, 3, bracket square return? A2, B3, C1, the error. 1, 3, 2, 3, sorry. What of the following is a tuple data type? AX partices 1, 2, 3. X square brackets 1, 2, 3. X is equal to curly brace 1, 2, 3. D hello. 2, 4. Which was the following is listed data type? AX 1, 2, 3. BX square bracket 1, 2, 3. C X curly brace 1, 2, 3. D single quote and hello. 25. What is the output of print hello? Asterisk 2. A hello hello. B hello 2. C hello hello. D error. 26. How do you declare a variable in Python? A int x equal 10. B let x equal to 10. C x equal 10. D var x equal 10. 127. What is the results of 10% of 3? A 3, B 1, C 0, D 10. 2, 8. Which of the following is valid Python dictionary? A curly brace 1, comma 2, comma 3. B square bracket. A semicolon 1, B colon 2. C curly brace. A colon 1, B colon 2. D parenthesis 1, 2, 3. 29. What is the print? In double quotations 5 plus double quotations 6 or reverse. A11, B56, C0, D9. 13. Which function returns the numbers of items in the list? A size, parentheses, count size, length, and the length. 31. Which operand is used for exponentials? A double plus, C B double forward, C double asterisk, D single asterisk. 32. Which of these is valid Python variables name? 2 name, my minus name, my underscore name, D my space name. 33. Which of the following is programming language? A HTTP, B HTML, C Python, D FTP. 34. Machine language instructions are typically written in A decimal number, B alphabets, C binary, zeros or ones, D ASCII. 35. What is the role of assemblers in the assembly language? A. Executes a program directly. B. It is converts assembly languages to machine language. C. It is compiles the program into Java bytecodes. D. Link library file to program. 36. What is high level programming language? A. Language that directly control hardware. B. A language that only used for a mobile app. C. A programming language that closely to human language. D. Programming language that only uses binary. 37. What is the correct file extension for Python? A. PPTYs. B. PT. C. PY. D. P. Pythons. 38. Which of the following is an example of high-level programming language? A. Machine code. B. Assembly language. C. Java. D. hexadecimal. 39. What is the main functions of compilers? To execute high-level programming language line by line. B. To convert the machine language into high-level code. C. To translate the whole code at once. D. To store data temporarily. 40. Which of the following is now a type of language translators? A. Compiler. B. Interpreter. C. Assemblers. D. Emulators. 41. What does the assemblers do? A. Converted high-level code into object code. B. Converted source code into database. C. Converted assembly language into machine language. D. Converted machine language into assembly language. 42. What is the main functions of interpreter in programming? A. Translate and execute code line by line. B. Convert binary code into source code. B. Store high-level programming in memory. D. To translate the whole code at once. 43. Which of the following programming language is commonly interpreted? A. C++, B. Assembly, C. Ruby, D. Java. 44. What is syntax in Python? A is the meaning of statements. B is structures and the rule of writing code correctly. C speed arts what the Python runs. D the result executing a Python. 45. What is the following syntax error in Python? A. Using incorrect variable's name. B. Forgetting to close string with curtains. C. Assigning a float to an integer variable. D. Dividing by zero. 46. What is semantic error in Python? A. An error that prevents the code from zeroing itself. B. An error in a way to code is instruct. C. Error in logic where the code runs but producing incorrect result. D. An error found only during installation. 47. What is identifier in Python? A. Special symbols used in a string. B. Reserved code in Python. C. The name used to identify a variable. D. Data type of a variable. 48. Which of the following not allowed in Python identifier? A. Letters. A. And A. Up to Z. B. Digital or digit 0 up to 9. C. Underscore. D. Special character like at, hashtag, and the dollar. 49. Which of the following is invalid Python identifier? A. First underscore name. B. Underscore name. C. Employee 1. D. 4. 50. What is the rule for naming identifier in Python? A. They must always start with digits. B. They must only contain uppercase letter. C. They must begin with a letters or underscores. D. They must match a keyword. Short answers. 51. What is computer programming? 52. Explain machine language. Describe assembly language. Question. 53. 54. What is the difference between interpreter and the compilers? 55. What is syntax mean? 30. 56. What is semantic means? 37. Define expression and give some examples. 6. 5. 8. Describe statement impedance and give some examples. 5. 9. What is functions and output color in Python IDAS? 6. 0. What is the difference between print and the input? Functions. Bye bye for today. Thank you.